Yeah, my people, all things bright and wonderful. The universe made them all. So package number 4. And here goes. So I'm working now with a diabetic client, someone that has diabetes. So we are here to correct diabetes. So here goes. So this plant N, I give it name. Yes, KTV, that's the name of that's my logo. All right, good. So she found this plant, researched it, and asked me for it, and I sourced it for her here in Jamaica. I found it in the hills, yes, by myself. All right, and then we have here plant NA, yes, which is a leaf, yeah, a leaf. Plant leaf B, right? And here we have plant leaf C, yeah, and here we have bark or wood chip, bark 1, yes. Here we have bark 2, and here we have bark 3. All right, good. So that is it. And remember, I am not pure, but I am the cure. I am a knowledgeable true virgin, herbalist and motivational speaker. Let your medicine be your food and your food be your medicine. There is no disease on the planet that a plant cannot fix. Yes, my friend, all the answers is in nature. And as I come before you today, I say to you, yeah, you could contact me, send me a DM, let me know. I have 11 packages that I work on: diabetes, hypertension, erectile dysfunction, blocked fallopian tube, meaning you have a problem with having a baby. Yes, we have the baby herb. People with cysts, women with cysts and fibroids, and so much more. So see me in details. Yo, big up on the rat itself, a knowledgeable true virgin upon the motivational chain, you know. Yes, I, yes, I, yes, I, yes, I, yes.